Hi, so today I want to show you why it is a very bad idea to use these Chinese 3M filters or respirators. You can find these on the usual suspects online pretty cheap, and I don't know how or why they're even allowed to sell these even on eBay, but that's why they're very cheap. So we'll have a peek inside here. You can see even getting the particulate cover off is pretty difficult. This is your N95 pad. We will have a peek inside here. So we can see that this is just some kind of fabric-y material here, like cotton almost. And this is the paper. And this is only on one side. So of course if you push this down, air can come through here and render this portion of the filtering ineffective. This is the organic vapor cartridge. And we can simply just take a piece of paper and give it a knock, and you can see how badly it's actually leaking charcoal already. Not a good sign. So let's crack it open and we'll see what we can find inside. Okay, so I got this cover off, and right away we can see that there is no real adhesive or barrier keeping the charcoal from these pads. Pads don't look too questionable. This kind of does. These are some pretty thick pieces of charcoal. These look a little shiny, some of them, just making me wonder if there's some asphalt in here, who knows. So we can dump this shit out, and we can see that the bottom pads are just sitting there. They have not been glued at all. So that's the reason for the fine charcoal dust coming out of the filter. So there you have it. Don't use Chinese 3M respirators or filters.